though. Yeah, though. Just make a show. Look, it's one of my first shows. You know what I'm saying? Early morning 7:11. Well, I just seen on the clock 7:12 right now. So yeah, this is what we're gonna do. But holla up though. I gotta hit y'all with some motherfucking music though. Holla. Yeah though. I'm gonna drink on my own. Just bear with it. Just bear with a nigga for a second. You know what I'm saying? Hold up. Hold up, though. Hold up. Nah, nah. I got some shit right here. Hold up. Where my shit at? How I was supposed to start it out? Here, go right here. Hold up. Hold up. I thought it was there. Hold up. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, damn. It ain't on there? Mm, I screwed up. Oh, I got that hooked up, man. What the hell? I see. I should have already had this shit already ready to go, and I didn't. My fault. Oh, let me see. Because it don't seem like this other thing is checking for my other hard drive. Hold on. All right, it should be there now. I just clicking. Let's see. Mm, stop bully. Put this right here. Yeah. Bear with me. This is my first show. You know what I'm saying? It's my first show. You feel me? But yeah, this shit gonna go. We're gonna get into it. We're gonna talk about a few things. Come to these goddamn stocks. Come to this motherfucking coin. We're gonna get into some specifics. Bum, ba-da, bum, bum. Bum, ba-da, da, da. Oh, that ain't it. Bum, ba-da, da, da, da. Oh, that ain't it either. Hold up. I can't see. I can't see shit. Blind the motherfucker. Hold on. Mm, here we go. Let's see. I don't even remember this one. Hold on. Here we go. Let's see. The computer, my computer's moving slow than a motherfucker right now. Nah, hold up, bro. Open with. Ooh, there ain't gonna be no graphics and shit. But, I'm gonna get this shit popping though. Yeah, though. I need something in the background. Hold up. Some type of music in the background. All right, let's get to it, man. What we got on the list here? I wrote some notes down. This one to get some music from something. Let's look at this. I had some stuff on the Motley Fool. I think it's Motley.com. I'll um I'll show my list right now of what I have right now on my goddamn portfolio. Hold on. Look like the market is up 1% right now. You know what I'm saying? I got GDX. Look like it's trying to do some MBRX. Trying to do a little some gold. You know what I'm saying? GOLD. That is an ETF, I believe. Hold up. Let me look at this shit. Yeah. Robinhood has information about it. What they're saying is Barrick Gold Corporation engages in production and the sale of gold and copper, as well as related activities such as exploration and mine development. It operates through the following segments: Barrick, Nevada, Valadero, Pueblo, Vio, Laguanas Norte, Turquoise Ridge, Acacia, and Pasco Lama. The company was founded by Peter D. Monk in 1983 and is headquartered in Toronto, Canada. So this is some stuff up north. The listed name for gold is Barrick Gold Corporation. So yeah, we're looking at it and we getting it. We looking at it and we getting into it. Yeah, though. But all right. Nah, this ain't even the right shit that I wanted to. Hopefully that music. Hopefully y'all can hear the music in the background, yo. Hold on. I gotta have this music in the background. You might have to do on repeat. Yeah, though. What the fuck is going on right now? I don't know what the fuck is this? Hold on. All right, this is a service that I've subscribed to, the Motley Fool. I'm going to do a rundown of the Motley Fool. Shout out to the Motley Fool. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to do a rundown of this. Because, too many stocks this week, to be honest. But I'm gonna do my best. I'm gonna do the best I can though. You feel me? And I'm gonna change that beat up. That shit trash. Hold up. Let's get another one on here. Hold up. Let's do this one right here. Hold up. Yeah though. Hold up. Let's go through this, man. Let me turn this shit down so you can hear it's boing boing through maybe 10%, 8%. It ain't too loud. But all right, this is what the Motley Fool. He got a list. You know what I'm saying? I go off certain analysts where they give their outlook on certain things, and I go back and look at certain things. It says turn your child into a tax-free millionaire for $25 a day. Hmm. Five tech stock billionaires can't stop buying. Three top stocks that'll make you richer in March and beyond. Next line. Three great income stocks to buy right now. Could that start the next line? Could that start be a millionaire maker stock? Next line. Three stocks to avoid this week. This for the week though. This for the week though. Top five, the top 50 Robinhood stocks in March. They running it down for you. And then, this is just one source. I ain't gonna get into all the sources. This is just one. You feel me? So, three great reasons to take Social Security benefits at 62. You niggas wanna really talk about that? Motherfuckers scared of that shit. Warren Buffett's annual letter takeaway. Berkshire is cheap. Underappreciated. All right, we're gonna go to the next. We're gonna go to the top. I don't know what the fuck they're gonna say. But I'm gonna cook the top. I'm gonna cook the top one. Turn your child into a tax-free millionaire with $25 a day. Okay, so what they talking about here? There might not be one size fits all manual for raising a child, but there are simple steps you can take to put your child on the path to building wealth. For example, the Roth IRA, investment retirement account. I think that's what that stands for. A special individual retirement account. Yeah, there you go. Individual retirement account comes with incredible features that allow kids to earn income to stash away money in the account and accumulate tax-free income. Look, I'm not about to get super. I'm trying to get into these tickets. You know what I'm saying? Let's see some of these ticker stuff. That's all right. Here we go. Five tech stocks. I know if you've been on certain channels, I talked about this tech shit. Talked about advertisement stocks. But I ain't get fully into the discovery or the research of certain advertisements. But the tech thing is booming. The tech stocks are booming. Five tech stocks billionaires can't stop buying. Look at this. Possibly the most exciting day for investors during the first quarter has come and gone. Less than 2 weeks ago, the deadline hit for money managers with over 100 million in assets under management to file Form 13F. Now we might need to look at that. That looks like a tax form to me. With the Securities and Exchange Commission, a 13F provides a detailed look at what the brightest and most successful money managers were holding at the end of the most recent quarter. Even though these filings are dead, they show what was held 6 or more weeks earlier. They can nevertheless cue Wall Street and investors onto stocks or trends that have the attention of money managers. After pursuing many of the moves made by billionaire money managers, one trend stands out. They're high on technology. In particular, billionaires couldn't stop buying the following tech stocks. Hey, I'm gonna pull this up. I'm gonna pull this up right here. Look at this tech shit. These motherfuckers are regular analysts of stocks. So they got some of these cats, fat cats, got certain resources that the regular public cannot access. I'm not gonna read through this whole shit. I'm gonna go down to the stock that they suggest. Look, Amazon, Microsoft, Apple, Intel, Cisco Systems, Netflix. People at the crib, Netflix and chill. You know that's the thing. That's a major deal. Look, Facebook, Alphabet, which is in other words Google. Everything. Who you know that don't use Google? If they trying to do some type of search. Who you know that doesn't use it? So this is just a rundown. I'm not getting into all that motherfucking shit. Bang stocks, AI stocks, IoT stocks, semiconductor stocks. Man, it's a lot of things going. It's a lot of things going around this motherfucker. And if you miss out on the investment, man, look, the information is out here. Seek and ye shall find. The impact of COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, pandemic. Let's look at this. Let me turn some volume down on this one. Might be too loud. Let me turn it down to about 3. Okay. Impact of COVID. I really don't even want to get into that. Disney. Credible growth from Disney. I don't know if you want to get into that, but Molly Fool is talking about Disney streaming, any type of streaming service that might be of interest to everybody. Right now, most people are on the internet. Any type of internet, telecommunication, any type of connection service, that's a big win. It's not a ride it out to the end for me. It's a ride it out to a certain position where you profit. You know, so let me say this. Analyze text. I ain't gonna get too heavy. I'm just going off other analysts at this moment for now, versus my own speculation of a certain stock, something like that, you know. But yeah, let me go back. Let me go back to the front page on the Motley Fool. And according to the Motley Fool, there's a lot of different things, you know, that I look into. Not this ain't my only search. Look, 3 great income stocks to buy right now. Here we go. We're gonna look at this. We're gonna get into some crypto. We're gonna get into some crypto too here in a second. Look, current S&P 500 index divided yield is measly 1.47%. That's pretty skimpy if you rely on dividend income. Look at this. Verizon. Warren Buffett loves his dividend stocks. Perhaps that's why Berkshire Hathaway, ticker symbol BRKA and BRKB, just acquired 8.6 billion stake in Verizon Communication. Now, can anybody smell 5G around the corner? I smell it. There's been a lot of rumor about this 5G thing that's gonna boost. But what does that mean for your life though? If this 5G thing takes over, what happens? How much does your life change? Okay, here we gonna go. Look, Verizon has an appealing 4.4% yield, yet it pales in comparison to rival AT&T, ticker symbol T, 7.1%. But Verizon is the more pending stock for a few reasons. Both Verizon and AT&T are heavyweights who's hold on, let me zoom in on this shit. Hold up. These motherfuckers dropping some heavy shit right now. And I got to be able to read this shit. These goddamn letters are too small, and maybe my eyes are going bad. But nigga, I'm trying to picture that. Yeah, though. Hold up. Okay, but in the past 10 years, Verizon has delivered total returns of 153% versus about 83% for AT&T. Almost all the returns AT&T shareholders have earned during that period have come from dividends, with the share price up just over 5% in the past decade compared to 60% for Verizon. I remember having, and let me say this as a customer. I remember having Verizon where these motherfuckers overcharging me for mediocre service and mediocre tech. Wait, what? I'm motherfucking driving trucks. I get into a dead zone. Like, how the fuck am I paying this amount of bread, but I ain't got no service all of a sudden? That doesn't make sense to me. Huh? But see, they ain't even really talking about no real. They really not even talking about no real shit on the surface for real. Real estate investment trust, REITs. Look, on the next show, I'm gonna delve deeper into a lot of things that's going on. I'm just scraping. I'm just doing a couple of scrapes right now. You know what I'm saying? So, WP carry WPC. You might want to look at this stock chart for WPC. And this is off the shout out to Motley Fool. You know what I'm saying? I'm just reading off. I ain't even getting to my account on the Motley Fool. I'm just reading off what they got on their front page, on their newsletter, on their reports. You figgadiddly schmiggly smell me. Americo. In my investment group, I talked about U-Haul. Now these niggas talking about U-Haul. UHAL. 3.3% of revenue. Additionally, 37% of rents come from outside the U.S., primarily from Europe. That's one fact that they've posted. Let's say 3M. 3M. You know 3M. That's MMM. Company behind Scotch tape. Post-it notes. Bread and butter. They call it bread and butter. Dividend King is producing technology that make other products better. For example, the micro replication technology it developed for projectors in the 1960s is now used to brighten highway signs and cell phone and laptop screens. Look. This type of shit that I look into with these damn goddamn stocks, it shows me that my certain ideas that I have, I gotta make sure I don't let it out, because some of these things are hinting on to ideas that I've had, to where I'm about to do a patent search on it to make sure that it hasn't been thought of yet. Now the production of it, or the me producing it, that's a whole nother thing. Developing it and making it a real thing. That's something different, but I ain't gonna get into that right now. But yeah though. Hold up. Said 3M. All right, I'm gonna go back. Let me go back. Cause there's other things Motley talking about. But I gave y'all those tickers. If you have some type of interest in those, go ahead and check those out. Check those tickers out, and see if that's something that you may wanna invest in. Yeah, this is not financial advice. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just looking at things from my point of view and speculation. Hella Factory. Yeah, though. This is what the Motley Fool has. The top 50 Robinhood stocks for March. Let's look at this. Let's look at this right quick. Recently, the investment community marked 1 year since stock market volatility went off the charts. We witnessed the fastest decline of at least 30% in the S&P 500's history, as well as brief period where West Texas Intermediate crude oil futures turned negative. While much of the investment community stood in awe at these historic moves, this volatility acted as an insatiable lure for millennial and novice investors. Okay. Robinhood investors can't stop buying these 50 stocks. I'm going to just roll down the list. I ain't even look. Apple, Tesla, AMC, Sundial, Ford, General Electric, NIO, which is ticker signal NIO, Microsoft, Walt Disney, Amazon, Nokia, Afria, that's APHRIA, GameStop. Y'all know about the scam with GameStop. That funny business is going on. Zomedica, American Airlines Group, Plug Power, Pfizer, that's a PFIZER, Aurora Cannabis, that's a ACB for the ticker signal if you wanted. American Airlines Group is AAL. If you like that ticker, if you go ahead and look at it, I'm not saying to get into it. I'm just giving a rundown of what the Motley Fool was talking about the top 50 where people can't stop buying. Okay, Plug Power, Pfizer, Aurora Cannabis, Churchill Capital, Carnival Corp, GoPro, Delta Airlines, Organigram Holdings, Palantir Technology, Naked Technologies, Naked Brand Group. Actually, I had seen that. I don't know if they're into like bikinis and bathing suits and swimwear for men and women. I don't know. But when I looked at it, I'm like, okay, maybe they may have a favorite in this certain sector of sales. What we got though? We got Snap, we got Castor Maritime, we got Alibaba, that's ALIBABA, Alibaba, Moderno, that's the niggas that's shooting you niggas up with the syringes. Moderno, they got the motherfucking so-called answer through a syringe. Moderno, I don't fuck with them, but look, I might invest in it and make some bread off you motherfuckers that want to get that shot in your ass. But yeah though, Bank of America, Netflix, BlackBerry. That's one. BlackBerry. That's that. Like, I may mix BlackBerry and Burberry, but I remember Burberry. But BlackBerry, I'm wondering. I might have to look more into it. Canopy Growth. I think that's a marijuana stock. Fuel Cell Energy. Ideanomics, Advanced Micro Devices, Tilray, I believe, I don't know if that's a cannabis stock or that's a gold stock. I can't remember. Facebook, Twitter is the advertisement stock that I talked about in my the investment group that I'm a part of. So yeah, Norwegian Cruise Line. Somebody about to catch a boat ride. I don't know where you're going, nigga, but yeah. Whatever your journey is and whatever your destination is, it's gonna send you right back to this motherfucker. Okay, we got AT&T with the phones and the connection and the internet and all this shit. Yeah, though. General Motors, they're working. There's a lot of car companies working on their electric vehicle. I'm gonna have to put up. I'm gonna do some research and see what is the rising production of electric vehicles, because this shit is getting transferred from this gas bullshit to electric and the utilization of battery power and electric power. One thing about this, I will say, is a high interest because you're getting into clean energy. So I'm gonna get off there right now. But look, we got Virgin Galactic. I don't even know who they are. Sounds interesting. Zynga. What we got? United Airlines. Somebody catching a flight. Boeing. Actually, when I was driving truck with Boeing, look, I was trying to take pictures. I used to drive trucks. Uh, I had to drop. I think I had to pick up a load. These motherfuckers kicked me out for taking pictures. Like, goddamn, these niggas is doing high level projects. Like, what the fuck is going on in this motherfucker? I never seen no shit like that before when I went to Boeing. So I was like, I'm about to snap a couple of shots. Them niggas had me. Then them niggas had me on the goddamn camera like a motherfucker just watching my every move. So I'm like, what kind of fucking facility they got going? You know what I'm saying? Came right to my motherfucking truck and said, have you been taking pictures? I'm like, I didn't want to answer the question because I'm gonna blow my spot up. You know what I'm saying? I was like, So I ain't really answer it, but you know, I was on the fence. Now I was straddling the fence, like nigga, I don't know, I don't know what you're talking about, nigga. You know what I'm saying? The nigga said, "Oh, you can't leave until we get your phone." Like what? Like, who the fuck are these niggas, bro? Like that's what I'm saying. Look, this entrepreneurship is the way to go. Fuck working for somebody else. Fuck dealing with somebody. Look, niggas, even myself, I'm working on a pathway to start and create my own business. Yes, that is the way. Not working for somebody else's dream, but working for my own motherfucking dream. Yes. Been a motherfucking worker, been a motherfucking worker ant too goddamn long. It's time for a nigga to have his own shit. And to see then they get into this law shit. I ain't gonna talk about the law shit today, but I'm gonna get into that too. I'm gonna have a whole nother conversation where we're gonna get into this law shit and we're gonna start breaking some shit down to get a further understanding of what's going on in this so-called society. But yeah, that's what the Motley got. What else they got? Penny stocks, high volatility, little to no substance behind. All right, let me change the beat. Hold up. No, I gotta change this beat. This beat getting worn out. Hold up. Yeah, that shit tired. Hold up. Yeah, though. Mm, what's this right here? Hold up. Yeah, no issue, Jay. You know, I'm just putting it out there from other sources that I look. I'm not the main source of any of these things. I'm following the fat cats. You know, there's a saying, follow the money. You know what I'm saying? And depending on what these motherfuckers do, I'm gonna be right there to catch some of the droppings that even though that might seem like some beggar shit. But look, I come from nothing. I come from the motherfucking gutter. What do you expect? Until I reach a point to where I'm a fat cat. I don't plan on turning into no fat cat. But what I'm saying is, to the day I turn into somebody that's financially free, well, I'm gonna follow this shit and I'm gonna understand this shit and I'm gonna pick up game. I'm gonna pick it up and I'm gonna go with it and I'm gonna go for it. Non-regressive, all progressive, blasting off to the future with my motherfucking bunny shoes. Boing boing. Yeah, though. Hold up. That ain't a good one. Hold on. This is what I should have started the show with. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. Yeah, though. We gonna get into it though. Yeah. Yeah, though. Stock bullet. Stock bullet. Yeah, we here though. Stock bullet. My stock bullet. Yeah. Used to wear a flannel. Look, now it's flame on. How the game go? Rock a cane go. Boing boing shoes. Yeah. Let me see. That was supposed to be the intro. I'm fucking with this motherfucking StreamYard. This shit is very simple. So that's why I'm fucking with it. But let's look at this. Let's look at some more of these motherfucking stocks though. We got the motherfucking cannabis penny stocks, substance behind rally, GameStop bullshit. That's a goof. These niggas pump GameStop and then cashed out. You know what I'm saying? To raise the price on the motherfucking what they call it? Pump and dump. That's what happened. That's what you seen. A lot of this shit with the crypto. I'm gonna talk about the crypto. But this is what's going on. These niggas been sitting on this bread for so motherfucking long. They could just dip in and out whenever the fuck they feel like it. And when the niggas from the underground try to come up, they can cut a nigga because they bags is heavier than a nigga like, you know what I'm saying, like me. My bags ain't that heavy. You feel me? I mean, I might have a little something in the bag, but it ain't fucking with these niggas that got billions, trillions of motherfucking dollars. How can I fuck with that? And see, that's where this law thing come into place, in my opinion, where even the playing field with certain knowledge of certain things. Look, okay. Look, cannabis, and more cannabis. Robinhood investors' love affair with marijuana stocks continues for yet another month. As I've noted before, this is a analyst for Motley Fool. Previously, Robinhood doesn't allow its members to buy over-the-counter OTC listed companies. This means they're predominantly stuck buying the underperforming Canadian pot stocks that are listed on major U.S. exchanges. 7 of the top 50 holdings are Canadian pot stocks. I'm not going to go into all that other goofy shit. Okay, it says here, even though new management has aggressively cut costs, it doesn't change the fact that the company's outstanding share count has risen by more than 12,000%. What? Since 2014. Niggas been asleep behind the wheel, bro. What the fuck has niggas been doing, bro? Nigga, 12,000%? You know how much that is per $100? Damn, nigga, why ain't nobody put me on game? Why ain't nobody put me on game, man? I been wondering, like, damn. Nigga been on the outside. But now a nigga on the inside, though. Nigga making room. Nigga hella squeeze. Nigga giving me some elbow space up at this motherfucker, though. Yeah, though. You know what I'm saying? It says positive earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. Amortization has been moved back on a number of occasions. EBITDA, I don't know what that is. I'm not going to open up another screen for that. I'm just putting this information out. I'm just reading shit. You know what I'm saying? The bad news is that Robinhood investors might have replaced Aurora Cannabis with an even worse pot stock, Sundial Growers. Although Sundial has an estimated $680 million in cash. What would you do with 680 million? What? It's built up its coffers on the backs of its shareholders. The company has issued over 1.1 million shares. Like, nigga, come on, hold up. 1.1 Bs though? What niggas doing with 1.1 Bs? What we stinging? We stinging shit? What we doing? 1.1 B's? Can niggas even fathom if they had that amount of a bag? I'm gonna continue. Via offerings and debt to equity swaps in 5 months. It's also in the midst of switching his focus to retail from wholesale, which will only exacerbate near-term losses at a time when most North American pot stocks are turning profitable. Bruh, 1.1 billion, nigga. What niggas know about the billies? Look, man. These motherfuckers been getting this motherfucking bread, nigga. I'm just trying to grab a slice. Yeah, though. And I'm gonna help niggas get there. All right, hold up. Alternative energy and transportation remain must-owns for millennials. If you thought cannabis was well represented in Robinhood's leaderboard, take a gander at the alternative energy and transportation plays. Nearly 30% of the top 50 are auto stocks. Where we going? Where we going with this? Auto stocks? Auto? Auto? So when we talking about auto, are we talking about like unmanned vehicles or unmanned drones, flying shit like that, like flying saucers and shit? This robotic shit is going through the roof and is integrating with vehicles and travel. It really is. So what's the technology? What companies are behind the technology and the software behind these robotics? That's further research that needs to be done. I'm not going to get into it here. I'm just going on the surface on this shit. But alternative energy and transportation remain must owns for millennials. Auto stocks is highlighted. Let me look at this. Being based in China, the largest auto market for EVs in the world, could unquestionably help its long-term outlook. However, 73 billion, bro. These motherfuckers just throwing these numbers out here like that's just normal. 73 billion. 73 billion. Somebody in chat tell me, what would you do with 73 billion though? Billion, nigga. All right, I'm gonna keep going. Have certain discussions and certain groups that I'm a part of. Likewise, spilling into American airline doesn't seem like a prudent idea, even during the best of times. Airline stocks. Well, huh? Airline stocks. Who's flying? Who's flying right now with this pandemic shit? Who's flying? Who got the special privileges? What, did they get shot up? Did they get the pokey in the arm? Did they get the medicine? The so-called medicine. Niggas is flying, so you know if niggas is flying, niggas gotta be around each other, so it's gonna be closed space. So whoa, how many passengers is on this plane? What is going on here? And Motley is actually a highly recommended resource. But let me go into this. But having taken a coronavirus relief, look, I just talked about it. Relief loan. American Airlines is barred from buybacks and dividends. It also boasts the highest debt load of any major airline, 41 billion. We're talking about billies here. Not talking about millies. We're talking about billies. Billion, nigga. 41 billies. Even if it survives the pandemic without seeking bankruptcy, it'll be so financially constrained by its debt that most growth initiatives can be tossed out the window. Then we talk about jumping out the window. Then we talk about jumping off the porch. Hello Fresh, grab a slice, cantaloupe, lime squeeze, all that nice stuff. What? All right, let me keep scrolling, man. I'm gonna keep scrolling, man. And this just comes, this just motley. I ain't even get to my bag of my perspective of uh, uh, um, my view of what I see about certain things that's going down. That's a deeper rabbit hole. I'm not gonna get into it now. But I will run it down but the Monday, it is Monday, right? Yeah, for the Monday investors, people that putting their bread up right now, and the market is going boing boing. You know what I'm saying? It's about to be 8 o'clock Mountain Time, so I know the market is already bubbling right now. I'm about 30 minutes behind. The market opened up at 9:30 East Coast time. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, yeah. So I can let me see. Let's see what's going on right now. Hold on. Let's look up stock market moves. Let's see. I know Google got some stuff. Yahoo got some stuff. I ain't got a certain damn account, so I can't even view a certain thing. But I got something for the crypto though, cause I'm in heavy on the crypto, but they ain't got nothing. What is it? What's this? Live Ventures Inc. The ticker is live. Hold up. Market summary. See, if anybody can help me out, I don't know where to get a full list of most of the stocks that's listed in the SEC, the Security Exchange Commission. And I'm actually going to do some material on that too. Find out who are these cats? Who are they to regulate a currency or regulate this paper dollars when these things actually just show up as digital accounting ledgers in a digital account? So wouldn't that go to say that that's really no different from crypto? Huh? The niggas hear me? The niggas hear me right now? So okay. Look, Google Finance has this right here. Boeing, top movers in the watch list. Boeing up 6.35%. Canopy Growth Corp 5.18%. Tilray 4.68%. Fiverr International Ltd 3.76. Moderna down 3.26%. Berkshire Hathaway up 3.13%. I don't really know where to look for regular like stocks. Like I know once you got a like a Ameritrade, X-Trade, whatever brokerage you use, they usually give you certain software where you can view all the stocks that are part of their software or part of their list. I don't have that yet. I'm only using Robinhood. I'll go to my Robinhood right now. Let me see. What I got here for the let me change this thing to a percentage gain loss. Okay, we got XLK. Matter of fact, hold on. XLK is $1.61 per share right now. It's down 35% right now. Hold on. Let me go down the list of what I have. Here we go. Percentage. So it's down 20%. 20.69. Okay, we got GDX. It's trying to do something. GDX on the stock is down 1.71%. MBRX down 11.303%. This gold, GOLD, down 4.35%. So I'm looking like a nigga losing bread right now. Look, NXE down 9.17%. XLK up 1.82%. That's only a dollar. It's only $1.80 per $100. Like, come on, what the hell? ITRM is up 0.59%. Ain't shit. TTI down 2.63%. Now, I'm gonna get into these other lists that I have. Okay, travel stock. RLJ Lodging Trust. Hold on. Down 0.41%. U-Haul. I call this before the snow start coming around. This motherfucker, I call U-Haul because a lot of motherfuckers gonna be moving around because of what's going on with this crisis. Niggas can't work, niggas can't pay their motherfucking rent, and the niggas is moving. So I called out U-Haul. UHAL. It's on. It ain't really doing shit. It's only up 0.43% today. Yatra, YTRA, up 1.3%. That really ain't shit. But hold up. Let me change the song. This shit getting worn out. Hold up. Hold up, though. Time for a new beat, nigga. Let's see. Nah. We ain't gonna do that one. Hold up. That motherfucker worked good with this program, though. We're gonna get back into it, though. Hold on, let me just find a nice beat, though. All right. This might be good. Yo. All right. I think these are certain things on my Google Finance. Hold up. Let me look back at my Robinhood real quick because I got certain things that I've viewed and then done I ain't gonna say major research on, but from certain analysts has picked up on certain clues. So, travel stocks, RLJ 0.22%, U-Haul 0.43%, Yatra YTRA 2.1%. Let's look at this. And it's something that we had my guys had for the money team. Look like everything is up right now. Interix up 1.61. Bitcoin up 8.38%. If you guys look at that the graph of Bitcoin, you'll see that it's on an uptrend, even though it has some correction when it dips. But it doesn't mean that it's just about to just zip, just out of here, adios. I don't see that. But do what you do. This is not financial advice. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only. YOLO. something about the group, that talked about shout out to my big bro Dwayne, you know what I'm saying? He talked about the YOLO. That's up 3.25. Wells Fargo up 2.89. Bingo, BNGO up 1.85%. Qualcomm up 1.04%. CVS up only 1.09. Like these percentages, they're low. My thing is once I get a full account to where it gives me more options to get into certain things, then what I'm doing will be way more diverse. I will call out some big winners. We got BlackBerry up 4.96%. What else is over here? We got Immersion, IMMR up 7.97%. We got Aurora Mobile up 10.49%. That's pretty good. We got Lakes, LAIX, up 6.06%. Now, these are things that y'all could just look in on your own. If you wanted to get into some options thing, project a certain way you think it's gonna go, and you might be able to bubble. You might be able to bubble up. You know what I'm saying? I'm just saying. Let's see. Primerica 2.26. I'm looking for the jumpers, man. Airbus, EADSY up 3.93%. PayPal up 2.98%. Raytheon Technology up 4.07%. Apple up 3%. Tesla up 3.67%. I'm looking for the jumpers, yo. GPRO up 7.18%. That's decent. GE is okay. What the fuck is GE? They're dealing with electric. I don't think it's only 13.22 per share, nigga. Man, fuck it. Man, come on. Got got most active Palantir Technologies, Carnival Corp, Churchill Capital Corp, NIO Inc. Nah, that shit look good though, man. I'm trying to think. What the fuck should a nigga do right now? Hmm, I don't know. Let's get to another beat. Hold on. I might not get to the crypto today, but I'll continue to talk about what I've been talking about in the stock market. Let's see. Might come later though. You know what I'm saying? And drop some crypto game. Hella factory. Let's see. Paradise. Nah. Shane, we will bring what? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Uh, all right. I don't even know if this shit gonna fucking play. I'm about to shut it down. How long have I been gone? Is it even? What I'm gonna do? My first show. All right, y'all. I'm gonna end it right there for now. Let me come back. I've been up all morning. You know, hey man, it's no excuse. You know what I'm saying? You know, it is what it is. I'm gonna get some more under my belt so I can share. Finger dilly, schmiggly, smelly. Smell me. Yeah.